All right, Dominic, say hi. Okay, hi. So, 30-mile-an-hour winds. That's what it does to your electric fence. I did a different wind video the other day, but this is another one. I had to take one of the other ones down already. The netting is just failing. But yeah. So 30-mile-an-hour gusts. And now it's unraveled again. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Horses are afraid to get anywhere near it. They're like, oh my goodness, the electricity is coming closer to us? Heck no. So they haven't figured out that they could just step over that and wander off, which is good. Nobody wants them wandering off into the woods. Dominic wants to wander. You want to go off in the woods, Dominic? You do, don't you? Yeah, you do. You like the woods. What was that? Is that a horsefly? Okay, let it land. Let it land. Got him. Sorry, I didn't mean to get you, Dominic. Sorry, I didn't think about that part. Sorry, Dom.